We are so excited for everyone to join us live from Strassburg Elementary School. This is our Quarter 1 Awards Assembly. And today, first I'd like to do my introductions. Obviously, for those of you that don't already know me, my name is Dr. Kim Larry, and I'm the proud principal here of Strassburg Elementary School. This is my 4th year as principal, 10th year of being a full principal. I enjoy obviously working with students and love focusing on education and academics, which is so important for success in life. So today we are going to be giving out our Quarter 1 Awards Assembly, providing our names and rewards virtually since students are not here. And then also the awards will be mailed home. Today, our secretaries are getting all their awards. They have them all ready, and they'll be mailing them home to your houses. So you will receive them within the next few days. Also, the principal award winners, you'll receive a special visit, and your award actually will be given in person. So our award categories for today are perfect attendance, which everyone should have perfect attendance since it is virtual learning. Gold honor roll, straight A's. Blue honor roll, which is all A's and B's. The Good Citizenship Award, which will be awarded actually by Mr. Spires, and our Principals Award. So I'll be going first today because, again, this is a socially distanced assembly. So we are going to start off with our Q1 Perfect Attendance Award. And I'm going to read these names in order. And so they are alphabetical order. So obviously they're not broken up by classrooms. I'll read the classrooms that they're from, but again, these students are in alphabetical order, and these are students for perfect attendance for the Quarter 1 for virtual learning, which we should all have perfect attendance. So first is Taylor Adams, Mr. Rails class. Travion Adams, Mr. Rails class. Aubrey Biela, Ms. Grant's class. Amaya Belthune, Mr. Rails class, Amaya Blackburn, Mr. Rails class. Kanaya Bradford, Mr. Rails class. Ethan Brown, Ms. Stewart's class. Kazaria Brown, Mr. Okagawa's class. Tatiana Brown, Ms. Warren's class. Kanila Burnett, Ms. Avance's class. Kamaya Burnett, Miss Lloyd's class. Layla Caldwell, Miss Avance's class. Abraham Camargo, Miss Johnson's class. Mason Castaneda, Miss Grant's class. Temi Dewadu, Miss Jacob's class. Raquel Dockery, Miss Amon's class. Kevin Dominguez, Mr. Okagawa's class. Jimmy Drake, Mr. Okagawa's class. Aaliyah Furba, Miss Avance's class. Stephanie Fisher, Miss Johnson's class. Bejan Ford, Miss Dumas's class. Jermiria Franklin, Miss Rogers' class. Delaney Garcia, Mr. Rails' class. Ronaldo Garcia, Miss Stoffel's class. Fatima Guzman, Miss Avance's class. Damon Hallman, Miss Avance's class. Dallas Hallman, Miss Amuson's class. London Hopkins Cunningham from Miss Baltima's class. Zarian Hudson from Miss Carpenter's class. Malik Hilton from Miss Lloyd's class. Marcus Ireland from Miss Warren's class. Alexandria Jackson from Miss Ransom's class. Isis Jenkins from Miss Miss Cleek's class. Octavian Jones from Miss Carpenter's class. Jamal Lewis from Miss Rogers' class. Brandon Lipscomb from Mr. Okagawa's class. Cedric Maxby Mack from Miss Johnson's class. Clarence Martin Jr. from Mr. Okagawa's class. Danielle Martinez from Miss Avance's class. Jackson Mason from Mr. Chris Finelli's class. Courtney Maxwell from Miss Grant's class. Anthony Mayers from Miss Johnson's class. Tyler McDaniel from Miss Jacobs' class. Jameer McThune from Miss Grant's class. Josiah Menenfield from Mr. Okagawa's class. Joy Mensing from Miss Avance's class. Shepard Mensing from Miss Barnes' class. Zoe Mensing from Miss Merritt's class. Aaron Monaghan from Miss Rogers' class. Jordan Morton from Miss Stewart's class. Amiriana Myers from Mr. Rails' class. Kalia Nevels from Miss Amon's class. Shanila Oliver from Miss Lloyd's class. Denzel Patton from Miss Lloyd's class. Yada Pickett from Miss Carpenter's class. Samarian Price from Mr. Okagawa's class. Jeremy Prince Jr. from Miss Stewart's class. Kyra Rawls from Miss Dumas's class. Honesty Rivers from Miss Grant's class. Chaz Robinson from Miss Tyler's class. Christopher Robinson from Miss Rogers' class. Crystal Rogers from Miss Dumas's class. Nicholas Rowland Jr. from Miss Carpenter's class. Rocco Santiago from Miss Sorgan, Miss Cleek's class. Jalen Scott from Miss Stewart's class. Riley Scott from Miss Dumas's class. Cameron Starks from Miss Grant's class. Malia Tate from Miss Carpenter's class. Spencer Turner from Miss Carpenter's class. Jason Tortorulo II from Miss Dumas's class. Brandon Verstigi from Mr. Christopher Finelli's class. Cameron Wilbanks from Miss Lloyd's class. Journey Williams from Mr. Rails' class. Harmony Willis from Miss Stuffel's class. Tony Winkowitz from Miss Barnes' class. And Paige Wright from Miss Ransom's class. Let's give a round of applause for our Q1 perfect attendance. I don't know about you students, but if my name was going to be called today, I would really make sure that I tried the best job that I could to ensure that my name would be called during our Q2 assembly. Okay, next, we are going to move on to our gold honor roll. Now, these are the students that received straight A's for Q1. So, in Miss Amon's class, we have Austin Epps. In Miss Dumas's class, we have Journey Clark and Riley Scott. In Miss Barnes' class, we have Emery Casillas, Joseph Gunn, Aiden Ireland, and Shepard Mensing. In Miss Avance's class, we have Leah Alford. In Miss Stewart's class, we have Aiden Blackburn, Ethan Brown, and Josephia Ramirez. In Miss Ransom's class, we have Cameron Bedingfield. In Miss Grant's class, we have Aubrey Biela. In Mr. Okagawa's class, we have Alayla Brooks and Caprice Wakefield, In Mr. Christopher Finelli's class, we have Deala Crosby, Dion Farmer, Demaya Casey, and Jackson Mason. In Miss Rogers' class, we have Amaya Kareem. And in Mr. Rails' class, we have Delaney Garcia, Jaden Mason, and Journey Williams. Excellent job for students that are on the gold honor roll. That means that you had straight A's during Q1. Okay, now we are going to read the names of the students that are on the blue honor roll. And that means that you have received all A's and B's. And even some students just received one B, all A's. So I would definitely try for Q2 and make sure that you turn that B into an A. So in Miss Amon's class, Raquel Dockery, Brooklyn Bosco, Kiela Nevels. In Miss Dumas's class, we have Kiela Nevels. In Miss Dumas's class, we have Eliana Beans, Jamacia Del Fosse, Ria Horns, Ian Johnson, Kyra Rawls, and Jason Tortorulo. In Miss Barnes' class, we have Tony Winkowitz, Naela Young, excuse me. In Miss Avance's class, we have Alea Furba, Fernando Galvez, Damon Paulman, Joy Mensing, and Lorenzo Riggins. In Miss Baltimore's class, we have Daniela Campos, Brian Medina Escato. In Miss Stewart's class, we have Brooklyn Adams, Cheris Gill, Cassidy Glover, Jordan Morton, Jeremy Price II, Aaron Resendez, Jalen Scott, and Shamaria Vervet. In Tyler's class, we have Anitya Buchner and Makari Hill. In Miss Ransom's class, we have Rashad Qasim Jr., we have Alexandria Jackson, Zamaria Rum, and Paige Wright. In Miss Warren's class, we have Rain Carter, Kimani Hale, Jocelyn Hampton, Marcus Ireland, and Fazal Karim. In Miss Emerson's class, we have Dallas Hallman, Lanaya Jones, Julian Lagunes, and Aaliyah Williams. In Miss Grant's class, we have Courtney Maxwell and Jameer McFoon. Miss Stoffel's class, we have Alani Diaz, Jermaine Franklin, Armani Holmes, Julian Lopez, Brandon Turner. And in Mr. Okagawa's class, we have Zaria Brown, Kevin Dominguez, and Samarian Price. In Mr. Crispinelli's class, we have Bryant Bodie, Diana Chavez, Bria Dockery, Caden Harris, Terrence King Cawthon, Maria Nunez, Cameron Patton, Trenton Smith, Brandon Verstegi, Carrie-Ann Walker. And in Miss Cleek's class, we have Donovan Richmond, Amani Sarton, and Kira Spriggins. Miss Sorgan's class, we have Isis Jenkins, Heaven King, Lanaya Mayers, Aiden Robinson, Cortez Rush, Rocco Santiago, Amari Smith, and Natalie Williams. In Miss Mara's class, we have Caitlin Egan, Zoe Mensing, Quaylen Vaughn, and Melanie Words. In Miss Jacobs' class, we have Jaimani Adams, Juliana DeLeon, Natavia McGee, Adriel Terrazas. And we have in Miss Rogers' class, we have Tiana Beans, Adriana Lee, Malachi McKenzie, Aaron Monaghan. And Miss Lloyd's class, we have Kamaya Burnett, Malik Hilton. In Miss Johnson's class, we have Stephanie Fisher and Damian Perez. In Miss Carpenter's class, we have Danny Clancy, Zarian Hudson, Dariana Jones, Amari Phillips, Yada Pickett, Emilia Tate. In Mr. Rail's class, we have Kanaya Bradford, Amaya Blackburn, Demarius Cannon, Laurel Glover, Tessenia Martinez, and Michael O'Neill. Mr. Spires, I'd like to introduce our assistant principal who will call the names of the students that had good citizenship for quarter one.
So good morning, everyone. I hope that everyone is doing well today. I do look forward to the day that we can all be back together in the building. But until then, at this point, we are doing what we need to do to keep everyone safe. But again, please do continue to practice your social distancing, making sure that you're checking in with your classroom teacher every day. And we want to continue to acknowledge the students who are doing that consistently and excellently every day. So I will, without further ado, I will read off the names of the students who are our quarter one citizenship award winners, and I will go in room order. Starting with third grade, Ms. Amon's class, Austin Epps and Kalayla Nevels. Congratulations. Ms. Dumas's class, Kyra Rawls and Jason Torturlo. Ms. Barnes' class, Shepard Mensing and Emery Casillas. Ms. A. Vance's class, Joy Mensing and Danielle Martinez. And Ms. Baltimore's class, Melanie Jackson and Brian Medina Escato. In Ms. Stewart's class, Cassidy Glover and Aiden Blackburn. In Ms. Tyler's class, Ms. Antia Buckner, sorry if I mispronounced that, Antia, and Ariane Posey. In Ms. Ransom's class, Zamaria Rumpf and Cameron Bedingfield. In Ms. Lawrence's class, Kimani Hill and Rain Carter. Congratulations. Ms. Atkinson's class, Julian Lagunas and Lanira Jones. Ms. Okigawa's class, Samarian Price and Alayla Brooks. In Mr. Christopher Nelly's class, Jackson Mason and Demaya Casey. In Ms. Grant's class, Courtney Maxwell and Jameer McThune. Congratulations. Ms. Steffel's class, Jermaine Franklin and Harmony Willis. So congratulations to third and to fourth grade winners. For our fifth grade winners, Ms. Johnson's class, Luis Garza and Damian Perez. In Ms. Rogers' class, Tiana Beans and Anaya Kareem. In Mr. Rail's class, Samaya Blackburn and Jaden Mason. In Ms. Lloyd's class, Malik Hilton and Shanila Oliver. In Ms. Marin's class, it's Quaylen Vaughn and Caitlin Egan. In Ms. Jacobs' class, it's Latavia McGee and Juliana De Leon. In Ms. Carpenter's class, it's Altavian Jones and Ms. Rihanna Clay. Congratulations to all of our winners for quarter one citizenship in fifth grade. And last, but certainly not least, we have the classroom winners from Ms. Sorgan and Ms. Cleek's class. For Ms. Sorgan, it's Rocco Santiago and Aiden Robinson. And in Ms. Cleek's class, it is Kyra Spraggins and Miss Imani Sarton. So I want everybody to give themselves a round of applause. Very good job. Again, we cannot wait to see you back here at Strassburg. And at this time, I will turn it back over to our principal, Dr. Jennifer Camilleri.
Okay, students, so I am very excited that we had so many students that earned perfect attendance, that earned the gold honor roll, that means straight A's, that had all A's and B's, and good citizenship. Now, good citizenship means you're a good citizen of the virtual classroom, because obviously we're not here right now. So that means you're a helper in the classroom. If there's a guest teacher, you're providing some guidance. You're helping students that might be struggling within the classroom. You're always following expectations. That means remaining on mute during classroom instruction and raising your Google hand when you have something to add. And again, always following the directions of your teachers and just being a helpful student overall, even though we're still in that virtual environment. Now, the winners of the Principals Award, and these students will receive their award in person, meaning that I will come by their houses to provide an award and a little gift. So we have, for third grade, we have Aiden Blackburn, and for fourth grade, we have Jameer McThune, and for fifth grade, we have Caitlin Egan. So these are the winners of the Principals Award for quarter one. And again, you will receive your, I will bring your award to your house. The rest of the students, your awards will be mailed home. And I'm looking forward to our quarter two assembly, in which we're going to have even more names to read. So I hope you have a wonderful day, virtual learning students, and we'll see you back here probably tomorrow. Bye.
And we're done.